July 26th on a Friday and gearing up for the weekend, a weekend that looks to feature below normal temperatures in the 80s. And yes, some more rain chances. It's good news for us for July, though. Although the rain totals won't be that heavy, probably about a quarter of an inch or less. This morning, we're waking up to a little bit of haze out there. Expect rain chances to be the highest coming up on Saturday. This is a live look from Bellevue north towards Uptown, and you can see a little bit of cloudiness out in the distance, some haze, the wind moving around. A good start to our day on Friday, and I think we have a beautiful day ahead of us. The rain chances don't really ramp up, though, till mid-morning tomorrow. You can see a shower or two that's out there around Little Rock right now. All the blue colors you see here at home it's all ground clutter. That's all the radar beam bouncing off bugs and the inversion in the atmosphere. So what does it look like right now as far as the satellite goes? Well, here's a bigger picture of it, and I'll show you what's taking place this weekend. So we have this area of low pressure, which is down to the south, right around here, and this low is going to travel up with that upper level flow that you just saw a moment ago. So as it moves from south to north, it's going to pull up quite a bit of rainfall. The heaviest rain is probably going to be focused right there where the highest cloud cover is. That's central and east Arkansas, but we are going to get showers here at home as well. So here's how this is going to play out as far as the data goes. So right now we're looking at around midday coming up on this afternoon, and what you can see is the upper level wind pattern. Look at this little brown circle here. That's the low, and what happens as we go through time here is that low starts to lift north, and as those upper level winds carry that north, you can see those showers starting to bust out. There's a few overnight, and then more towards midday tomorrow, and that trough finally lifts coming up by the time we get into Sunday. And as it lifts and retreats, if you can see out around, let's forward a little more, down to the southwest, there's the big heat dome. Here it is right there. Look at that thing. That's big. That builds east and gets into the central part of the United States. So in the short run, we've got that little trough that's moving in, that little troughiness. Let me back up again. You can see the trough over Arkansas right there. See it lifting, scattered showers in the area on Saturday, right there. By Sunday, the trough's out of here. By Monday, we're back into the furnace with warm temperatures. So the best rain chances this weekend are going to be on Saturday. Temperatures held down because of that rainfall, probably mid to upper 80s. And then as we look ahead at the weather, as that heat ridge builds back in, you guessed it, it gets hot and it gets hot fast. We're back into the upper 90s. The only problem with the recent rainfalls, if you want to call it a problem, is the fact that, well, vegetation's all green, the ground is wet, and that heat index next week, probably going to be close to 110 for many of us. But hey, can't complain, right? We just had a couple of weeks of below normal temperatures to wrap up July. As we head into August, it does look pretty toasty for us. So enjoy those rain chances if we get any coming up for tomorrow. If you get some rain where you live, quarter of an inch or less. Beyond that, it's not for most of next week. Make it a great one. I'll see you next time.